Okay, so now when we observe the problems, so which are based on the nature of the roots, let us see this type of question now. Show that the equation is 2 of a square plus b square x square plus 2 into a plus bx plus 1 has no real roots when a is not equal to b. So the question is the condition there is no real roots. So if there is no real roots, then the discriminant that should be less than 0. So if you prove discriminant is less than 0, then there is no real roots, we can confirm. Okay, let me start the problem. So instead of showing directly, instead of proving, we only said it has no real roots. So instead of finding the discriminant here. So from the given question, okay, so the given equation is here is 2 of a square plus b square into x square. So this is completely x square coefficient, 2 of a square plus b square plus and 2 of a plus b x. This is completely x coefficient plus 1 is equal to 0. Now there is a constant is 1. So let us take a, b, c. So already small a, small b's are there. Then capital A. Take let us take the general form is capital A x square plus capital B x plus c type. Okay. Now 2 of a square plus b square. B is x coefficient. 2 of a plus b and constant is c. So with this, when general form is like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we take this as general form, now abc is this, right? Now we need to prove the discriminant is less than 0. We should prove that is. Then you can confirm that there is no real roots. So therefore, if you take the discriminant, the d is equals to actually now b square minus 4ac. So I'm taking calculators here. So instead of getting confused with small abc. Now this value we need to prove first less than 0. Now b square. So b is a 2 of a plus b. For this whole square minus 4ac. So a is 2 of a square plus b square into c. So c is 1. Right. Now let us simplify this. Then we can prove this value is less than 0. Now let us take the simplification into it. So each and everything you can simplify. Now 4 of a plus b whole square. If you take 2 square is 4. Now this is a plus b whole square. Right? Minus here 4 into 2. 8. 8 of a square plus b square. Let us simplify this now with the fourth table. A plus b whole square formula apply. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Minus this is a 8a square minus 8b square if you multiply with 8. 4 you multiply 4a square plus 4b square plus 8ab minus 8a square minus 8b square. Now take the simplification this, that is minus 4a square minus 8a square, that is minus 4a square, and 4b square minus 8b square is minus 4b square and plus 8ab. From this take minus 4 common. If you take minus 4 common, any formula can come inside. See, a square plus b square. Minus 4 is common. From plus 8ab, if you take minus 4 common, then minus 2ab. If you note this a square plus b square minus 2ab formula is a minus b whole square. Right? Now observe this. So this value. Anyhow, a minus b, if it is negative or positive, because of whole square, this total is positive. Now positive into negative 4. So automatically come the negative value. That means this is less than 0. So therefore, because this value is always negative, right? Whole square. So this is positive. This completely. But positive into negative is again negative get. Now according to this, we can conclude that. So discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, we got less than 0. Then when a is not equals to b. A is not equal to b, given condition already. If it is a equal to b, then this is 0, this also everything will be 0, right? Therefore has no real roots. We can conclude that there is no any real roots for this. So we only prove that is the less than 0. So any problem is given straight away you can solve, otherwise it has to show that anything you can take this discriminant and prove that according to the given. If they ask no real roots, we should prove that is a less than 0. We prove this, right? Now not only this, when you have to give the two equations, so instead of one, if they give two equations, how to compare and finding the roots. I'll show one example, one more problem now.